Okay, so editor folding controls controls whether the fold controls on the gutter are automatically hidden. So they can only show up when you hover the gutter, or you can always show them, and they'll always be there. Now, um, on a file like this, with a lot of indentation levels, you'll see quite a few arrows, right? And what's good about this is that it actually makes me use folding controls a little bit more, and it actually becomes um, more useful, more helpful to navigate the code. So what I usually do when I'm creating a class is that um, I create the methods, and then when a method is done, I just fold it. And if it's not set to always and it's set to mouse over, I kind of forget about it and tend to scroll more than necessary. And when I could have just folded the code, and if I want to look back at it, I just unfold again. So having folding controls always being shown actually helps me. So I'm going to leave this one as true.